Hey there, so just an update on the Harley 2009 83 Sportster. I paid $3,000 for this, and but then I took it in for a safety inspection. But there's quite a bit of work to do, so it needs new tires. 786 estimate. It needs a gear shifter. 104 estimate, spark plugs, 2698 estimate, and rear wheel bearings, 187.97, front and rear brake flush, 123.49, and it needs a new battery, estimate of 184.99. So, I guess all told I'm going to be in this for about $4,500. But still, I think for a 2009 with 5,584 miles, I think that's still a pretty good deal to get it in sorted condition once I get that work done. You know, some is to be expected on a bike that's 15 years old. I wasn't expecting the tires because, I mean, they look pretty good, but I didn't check the date code, unfortunately, and those are original tires to the bike. But all in all, I'm still happy with the purchase, and I love this bike. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Totally worth the investment. Look at this beautiful view.